Well, hello there, everybody. Today I'm going to talk about the Vevor motorcycle stand. At $50, it's excellent value to be able to do all the motorcycle maintenance that you need.
With the contents of the box, we take out the wheels and tighten them up and make sure they spin correctly. Next thing we do is to make sure that the bolts of the wheels are on the inside, and then we put the frame on the two wheels. Put the bolts into the frame, making sure that the bolt head is on the outside and the nut is on the inside. For the CBR300 we use the paddle. These paddles are just inserted into the frame and tightened up.
It's best to have somebody help you bring the CBR300 up into a vertical position. This allows you to bring the Vevor frame in and adjust it so that it fits perfectly on the CBR300. Standing at the side of the motorcycle, hold the pillion grab rail and then slowly raise the Vevor motorcycle stand into the vertical position. I like to use the Honda chain cleaner. A good tip is to place card where overspray may occur. When finished spraying, make sure that the little tube is put back onto the can. I like to use a toothbrush to clean the chain, making sure that I get all sides of the chain cleaned by ensuring that the tire goes through a full couple of rotations. Next, use a rag to dry up any excess and make sure that the chain is super clean. After the chain is clean and dry, the next thing to do is to do the lube. And a good tip that I saw was to apply the lube into the rear sprocket, making sure that you cover all areas of the chain. Just get a rag and clean off any excess. Once you are happy that you've removed all the excess lube, it's time to drop the bike. So again, from the rear position holding onto the pillion, just lower the motorcycle stand and slowly drop the motorcycle onto the side stand and you're done.